Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Lootcrate. But guess what month this belongs in?
Bum, bum, bum.
Last month. And today is March 7th, I'm pretty sure. And I just got it today. So I'm super tempted to cancel it. I actually took a survey and I put as like the comment at the end, like, if you could just get the shipping, I don't know, better.
Done on time, yeah.
Anyway.
She pays at a normal time, like everything else.
Open it up, and that's what it looks like. And at least it has Hulk. Like, at least it's something like... Okay, so first thing I'm pulling out is Hulk 3D comic standee. I think I'll open him
Adult
up.
collectible, not a toy.
If it's,
But
I know.
you like to take them out and play with them anyways, right? Or at least take
Well,
them out
or
and put
usually
them
I'll
together.
have you or something. Like maybe, do you have to put him together? Or no, I think, is he? No, I think he's all in one piece. Well, for the most part. He's on a little...
Definitely like them. Oh, you got it.
So he looks like that. I'm just mad that I got him so late. No, got this box so
Like
late.
I'm as angry as Hulk
I
is.
know. No, I guess I'll
kinda
go and
heavy.
stick him back in there.
Sure.
Okay, second thing is Alita, which I didn't really plan on seeing that movie, but
Oh, the...
that's the pen. Yeah. Let's see about that. Okay. Next thing, this is kind of heavy. I'm imagining a cup or something. Let's see. Would I be right in saying a cup? I would be. Oh, at least it's like,
It's a Dragon Ball Z.
I think so.
Or Yu-Gi-Oh, one of the two.
Or no, maybe not. No.
Naruto?
I can't even say it. Naruto. Glass cup.
I can get the thing back
I
in
could
the
tell it was
thing.
like a cup because it was like kind of heavy. It's like glass. Is it like hand wash only, do not soak? I was like, do not microwave cold liquid. I was trying to see if this says like not for,
What
you
was
know.
the theme this month? Did they give you a thing at the bottom that says the theme?
It's probably buried in there somewhere.
I give up
Maybe
on
they didn't even
trying to
give
do
me a
this.
thing. But you know how some cups are like for decoration only? I'm like, is it going to say that? But it didn't.
Oh, I know.
So, I probably should put that back in there so it doesn't break. I'll close that up. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out, is it two sides? Omega Supreme Autobots Defense Transformers. I don't know. Should I open this up? I don't know. I won't open it.
I don't even know what it is. Like,
I know. Where's the card? Is it in
say
here?
it's
The
a
book?
base? Is it something you can like build, like a little puzzle?
Oh, it's a trading card.
Okay, that's a big trading card. I was like,
Those are really big trading cards, yeah. Anyway, I can't pick them up with my nails. Ugh. So anyway, those are trading cards or a trading card. I can't tell if it's one or more. Maybe there's several. I don't know. And then the last thing,
it's cute.
Adventure Time. I don't know why I sang that. I like getting shirts though. That was the one thing is they're like, do you want a shirt in every box? And I was like, yes, that's probably the best thing. So not necessarily, but
That's
anyway.
it for the box, right?
Yeah, but that is it.
If you like this video and it was quick enough for you, or you like the fact that it was so late,
This is what the book looks
and that
like.
you're still watching, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.